Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy arrays from tuples. In this video, you will learn how to create NumPy arrays from Python tuples. This is a fundamental skill in data science and numerical computing with Python. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the conversion process and be able to apply it in your own projects. Before we dive into the conversion, let's understand what a tuple is. A Python tuple is an immutable sequence of values enclosed in parentheses. Immutable means once you create a tuple, you cannot change its contents. For example, my underscore tuple equals open parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close parenthesis. The values are separated by commas and wrapped in parentheses. You might wonder why we need to convert tuples to NumPy arrays. There are three main reasons. First, NumPy arrays enable mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication on entire arrays at once. Second, arrays support vectorized computations, which means operations are performed much faster than regular Python loops. Third, arrays provide better performance when working with numerical data, making them ideal for data analysis and scientific computing. Now let's look at the basic syntax for converting a tuple to a NumPy array. First, you need to import the NumPy library using import numpy as np, then create your tuple. For example, my underscore tuple equals open parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close parenthesis. Finally, use the np.array function and pass your tuple as an argument. Store the result in a variable called my underscore array. It's that simple. Let's see a complete example in action. We start by importing numpy as np, then we create a tuple with the comment create tuple. Our tuple contains the values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Next, we convert it to an array with the comment convert to array. We use np.array and pass my underscore tuple as the argument. Finally, we print the array using the print function. This will display our newly created NumPy array. When you run the code from the previous slide, you will see the output displayed. The output is shown in square brackets, 10 space 20 space 30 space 40 space 50. Notice that the values are now in square brackets instead of parentheses. This indicates that we now have a NumPy array, not a tuple. The array contains all the same values in the same order, but now we can perform NumPy operations on it. You can also create two-dimensional arrays from nested tuples. A nested tuple is a tuple that contains other tuples as its elements. For example, nested underscore tuple equals open parenthesis 1, 2, 3 close parenthesis, open parenthesis, 4, 5, 6 close parenthesis. When you pass this nested tuple to np.array, it creates a two-dimensional array. The result is a matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. This is useful for working with tabular data or matrices. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create NumPy arrays from tuples. You now understand what tuples are, why we convert them to arrays, and how to perform the conversion using the np.array function. You have also learned how to work with nested tuples to create multi-dimensional arrays. Practice this skill with different types of data, and you will be well on your way to mastering NumPy. Keep learning and happy coding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.